Namaskar. Good afternoon, everybody. Right, there was a doubt when all of them came कि तुम लोग जागे हो कि नहीं. How do we confirm that? जागे हो? Lovely. So welcome to the ITM family. ITM में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है. I'm sounding like making an airline announcement. Not really. I really, on behalf of all of us in the ITM family, our chairman, our CEO, whom you'll meet later, the entire faculty and staff of ITM Group, welcome all of you here this afternoon. I'm a little curious. Sai, are you around? Okay, he must be running around somewhere. So, hello, parents. We're seeing you on screen. We owe it to a lot to the parents because you've taken the risk of handing over your children to us. Sorry, I mean, you've taken the initiative of handing over your children to us. Anyway, I just thought I'd wake all of you up who are struggling to stay awake at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As was rightly told to you in the beginning, नींद को सब थोड़े सालों के लिए भूल जाओ because you're going to be working through the night, not because you'll get so many assignments, because all of you want to be going global, right? So if you're dreaming of USA, UK, Australia, Canada, you can't be working in the daytime. Here, you've got to be working in the night time. So that's exactly why I said, रात की नींद को bye bye कर देना. Happy to share with you that the group that you are joining today was born in the year 1991, so we are 34 years old. I'm the senior citizen of the group. The only person who's senior to me is our chairman, whom you're going to meet very soon. Over the last 34 years, ITM has grown into being a very, very important stakeholder in the lives of students after 12th standard, right up to graduation, post graduation, and PhD. We have campuses of our university in Mumbai, Raipur, and Baroda. So if you have any of your relatives in Raipur or Baroda, please ask them to apply to us. No, I'm not marketing. I just thought I'd leave the thought with you. You're welcome to come and experience what ITM is all about in each of these locations. As most of you come in here today to do your B.Tech, the first message that I'd like to give you is be happy that you're here. And I don't want to ask you to raise your hands, but I still ask the question. For how many of you was ITM the first choice? Don't raise your hands. Okay, only one girl. Two. Some of you want to raise your hands? Three, four. Yeah, I know everybody wanted to get into IIT, BITS Pilani, VIT, SRM. Then the list came down, and you said, "Chalo, Bombay mein, let's try Sardar Patel College of Engineering, Ramrao Institute of Technology." So I'm not belittling any of you. All I'm trying to say, अब यहाँ जो आ गए हो, please be happy here. Because the more you're unhappy, you're going to make your faculty unhappy. And when they are unhappy, it's going to reflect in your scores. गब्बर ने कहा था ना मुझसे दुश्मनी बहुत कीमती पड़ेगी. So don't try that with your faculty. Especially psychic. No, I'm saying all this for fun. All I want to tell you is be happy that you're here. There are scores and scores of people who haven't still got an engineering seat. They are applying round one, round two, round three, round four. They're trying to look for management quota seats. They're looking for politician recommendation letters. But without any of that, based on your merit, all of you have gotten here. So I want to lead a round of applause for each one of you who's sitting here in this room in front of me. So be happy that you're here. Keep your life happy. We are here to help you, and this one is particularly for parents, our faculty, our staff, our administrative teams have been taking care of students over the years, and they will take care of your children also. Please don't worry at all. Of course, there will be strict academic schedules, there will be projects, there will be assignments, there will be submissions, there will be viva. But besides that, Harbour is a very beautiful place. You have a lot of waterfalls in the monsoon, but be careful when you go there. And just before exams, if you want to pray, there's a beautiful ISKCON Mandir here. It's beautiful. Please go there. Not that we give you marks because you went there, but we are we are collaborating with them to do a lot of activities in the area of life skills. Where else you can go in Thargar, your seniors will tell you. समझ गए ना? मैं स्टेज पे नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. That's why I told you. As we progress into the program today, you have a lot of people who are going to give you beautiful bites of advice. I know you're no more in the bits of advice, Zamana. We all talk of bites now. So I'm also trying to keep it short so that we give you bites of gyan, wisdom. Welcome once again. Happy to have all of you here. We are all connected in the social media network. If you think you want to reach to any one of us, you will find us on LinkedIn. You'll find us on Instagram, but we're not doing so much musty as you guys do. Nor do we follow that good old adage, नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, कुछ भी कर इंस्टा में डाल. No, we don't do that. Maybe you guys do it, but you'll find us on Insta. That's all I can say. I was very pleasant tasked this afternoon after welcoming you to welcome someone who is the Bhishma Pitamaha of our family, the founder of ITM, the person who dreamed that ITM is possible. I had the privilege of being with him right from day one, so you might think that this senior citizen, there's one more senior citizen to me, as I told you, spent 34 years with the group. He made a very classic remark. He said, when students aspire for seats after 12, they want to get into an IIT. When students after graduation want to do management, they want to get into an IIM. He said, I want to create a service. I want to create an institution which is neither an IIT nor an IIM, but it will be ITM. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, ITM was born as an entity, 34 years, going strong, becoming stronger because of young faculty, young students like all of you. ITM has this very unique genesis that most of us who started ITM in those days, a team of about 5 people, all came out of industry. So we always felt we must do courses which suit industry requirements, which help people become job ready as on day one. I'm sure most of you, when you came here for your interviews or meetings or whatever, your first question would have been, अच्छा नौकरी मिलता है क्या? I don't know how many of you ask you faculty का profile क्या है, projects दिखाओ, portfolio देख सकते हैं क्या? Very few would have said that. Everybody would have been worried about which company is recruited because Naukri is the ultimate destination. I can see a lot of guys here, don't mind girls, so I'll take this little small remark because someone had told all these boys, पहले नौकरी फिर. I didn't say that, huh? You said it. So the world is like that, and therefore you want to be on your own feet. Going back to where ITM started, our chairman sir had a long stint with industry, being the CEO with the TTK Group, and lastly with the Aditya Birla Group as Director International Operations for a very long time. And you'll be very happy to know he has completed more than 60 years of work life as on today. Let's hear it for this person. 60 years. I really don't know among the parents 60 years के कौन है, but है तो बाद में मिलिएगा. I will welcome you to the Senior Citizens Club. I am chairman of that club. So, 60 years, and of the 60 years, 34 years in building this institution with great deal of passion, commitment, enthusiasm, collaboration, conflict resolution with so many different kinds of people to ensure that we are able to deliver high quality education. So that's what Dr. P.V. Ramana, our founding chairman, is all about. May I request you, sir, to please step up and bless all our young boys and girls who are here today. Looking forward to hearing from you.